SAP Cloud ALM supports the business transformation challenges of our customers with a fast-paced implementation approach, and it also supports the self-sufficiency in operations from the perspective of business continuity. Keep the lights on, always be up to the date and up to the task. SAP Cloud ALM comes with preloaded implementation accelerators coming from SAP Activate, also with out-of-the-box monitoring templates. It's also loaded with the RISE with SAP methodology, and it supports the journey to clean core in all 5 dimensions. SAP Cloud ALM is also the delivery infrastructure for our partners. And the best thing about Cloud ALM is it is included in your subscription and in your enterprise support contract. There is no additional fee that applies. So we have already prepared your SAP Cloud ALM tenant for you. So please join the over 6,000 customers that are already using SAP Cloud ALM